Check out this lesson for useful questions and expressions you can use while staying at a hotel. Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. You probably already know the basic vocabulary for checking into a hotel. But here are some other phrases that will help you communicate while staying at a hotel. After you have checked in, you can ask this question. Excuse me, is breakfast included? That means, is breakfast included in the price? If the hotel staff answers yes, you can then ask, what time is the breakfast? If they answer no, the price is not included, you can either ask them, how much does the breakfast cost? Or, could you recommend a nearby restaurant for breakfast? At that point, the hotel person will likely explain the start and finish time for breakfast. For example, the breakfast starts at 6 a.m. and will finish at 9:30. If you have a lot of luggage or many bags, you can ask, can someone help me with my luggage? Or, can someone help me with my bags? Oftentimes, someone working inside the hotel may ask you, would you like help with your bags? This means, would you like someone to carry your bags up to your room? Now remember, in the United States, if someone helps you with your bags, you should give them a tip. Now, if you only have one bag, you can simply say, no thank you. Another question you can ask the front desk is, could I have a wake-up call? Then the hotel may ask you, what time? Or what time would you like your wake-up call? If you know the exact time you want to wake up, for example, 7 a.m., you can ask, could I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? What if you need a ride to the airport? Well, a very useful question to ask is there an airport shuttle bus? Or, is there a shuttle to the airport? Either of these are just fine. An important piece of information to know is the hotel checkout time. Hotels have different checkout times. Some are quite early, like 10 a.m., and others are 11 or noontime. You can ask the hotel desk, when is the checkout time? Or simply, what time is checkout? What if you have a later flight and want to stay in your hotel room past the checkout time? Some hotels offer a late checkout. You can ask, could I please check out a little late at 1 o'clock? Or could we possibly have a late checkout? Some hotels will charge you extra for a late checkout, but not all. It never hurts to ask. Here's an embarrassing situation that recently happened to me at a hotel in New York City. I forgot my room card key when I left the room, and the door locked automatically behind me. So I went down to the front desk and said, excuse me, I forgot my room card inside the room. After I explained this to the front desk person, she immediately made another room card. These days, most hotels have room cards instead of keys. In this lesson, we learned many helpful questions and expressions you can use while staying at a hotel. If you practice these, you will be able to easily communicate with the hotel staff during your stay. Do you have any questions about staying at a hotel? Write them in the comment section below. Please click the like button and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.